Hey guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to make this 4-point transforming ninja star that can transform into frisbee and can transform into a ninja star. So let's get started. So the 4-point transforming ninja star consists of 4 units, 2 of one color and 2 of another color. So you're gonna want to use any square sheets of paper. I'm just using sticky notes. So let's get started. So just take 1 unit, and the first step you're going to want to do is make an X. So the way we're going to make it is take this top right corner matched up with the bottom left corner. And give it a good crease. And now unfold it and match the top left corner with the bottom right corner. And give it a good crease. Now if you're using a sticky note, make sure the sticky side's on the back. Now you want to make a line straight down the middle. So just take the right side and match it up with the left side. And give it a nice old crease. Now you should unfold it and it should look like an X and a line. Now flip it over, and now if you're using sticky note, it should be the sticky side up. So now you want to take the top right corner and top left corner and match it up in the center point. So let's do that. And make sure it's perfect. Give it a good crease and just do the same for the other side. Okay. So now it should look like something like this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to match this side over here with this line going down here. So just take this side and match it up just like that. And give it a nice old crease. Unfold it. Do the same thing with the other side. Take this side and match it up with this line right there. And give it a nice good crease. And unfold it. Now you want to unpeel or unfold these 2 triangles that we had made. Just like that. Now you should see this small triangle on the very, very edge. Just fold that in. And same thing for this side, just fold that triangle in. And now just fold these 2 flaps back in. So now it should look like something like this. So now you're going to hold it like this and pinch these together. And unfold them. And now we want to push up on this fold, this middle fold, while squeezing these together. And it should come together just like this. Perfect. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this point and match it up to over here. So just fold it down and give it a nice good crease. Now unfold it. And now you can open it like this. So now we want to push down on the big triangle, not the small triangle yet. That comes in the next step. So push down on the big triangle like this and fold it just like that. Now the small triangle is poking on the bottom, so we can unfold it once again. But this time we're going to push on the small triangle. And it should give a fold like there and just crease the whole thing together. Now it should look like something like this. And when you open it like this, it should look like that. Or like this. Depends on what side you open it from. So now you're just going to want to make 3 more of these.
A few moments later.
Okay. So I have now made 2 green units and 2 blue units using post-it notes. So now it's time that we connect them. So take 1 green unit and 1 blue unit. So now hold 1 unit like this and hold 1 unit like this. So now you just want to slide this unit into this pocket here until it cannot go any further. So right there. So it should be like that. So now once you have it like that, make sure this corner is aligned with this edge and it looks pretty perpendicular to you. So now what you can do is you can just fold this over like that and this over like that. And now you can unfold them. Now we can open this and tuck these into this. So this is basically the track that they're going to slide on while transforming. So it does have a tendency to get caught, but after a few times, it will work itself out and find its path. Just like that. Okay. So now that we have the basic transforming unit, now we can connect the others. So take a blue unit now, since this is green, and open this and connect it the same way. So make sure it's aligned properly. Make sure it's to the bottom, and fold this that way and fold this way. Now unfold them, open this and tuck it in. And give it a slide just to make sure that it catches its trail. Perfect. Okay, so now we come to the last piece. This is green for me, and I'm gonna put it in and connect it the same way. Make sure it's aligned to the edge. Make sure it's pretty perpendicular. And make sure it's all the way down. So now you can fold this over this way and fold this over this way. Now unfold it and just tuck them in. And give it a good slide just to make sure it catches its path. Okay, so now we can connect this one. So it's the same thing. Slide it all the way down. Make sure it's pretty perpendicular. Make sure it's aligned with this. And then fold this over there and fold this on top. Now unfold and open this and just tuck them in. And give it a good slide just to make sure it catches its trap. So these do have a tendency to get caught in this middle thing, but within a few tries it will get fixed. So now just keep on doing this. And there you go. That's your transforming ninja star. So now if you unfold it in the not transforming part like this, you can use it as a frisbee, which I'll show you in a second. And if you like push it in all the way, then it's a ninja star. So as you see, mine popped out, but that's all right. Just tuck it in. So these things may pop out in the first few times, but if you keep on doing them, they will stop popping out. So now this is the transforming ninja star part. And to open it, just slide it like this and slide it like that. And this is the frisbee part. So let's go show you guys how to throw it. This is frisbee form, and this is ninja star form. So when it's in frisbee form, you can throw it like a frisbee. So just hold it like this and throw it like a frisbee. And it flies just like a frisbee. Now, if you put it in ninja star form like this, you can also throw it, but it won't fly as far or as good. Just hold it like this and throw it. So it flies like a ninja star. Hey guys, I hope you liked this tutorial for the 4-pointed ninja star. If you did like this video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks.